Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to MailDaddy, a game-changing autoresponder tool that will revolutionize your email marketing strategy. MailDaddy allows you to send unlimited Gmail and Yahoo-friendly emails to your subscribers without any monthly fees. That's right, no more recurring costs. MailDaddy uses secret naive-Bayes technology to mark spam emails, achieving an incredible 99.96% inbox delivery rate. This means your emails are far more likely to land in your subscribers' inboxes rather than their spam folders. One of the key highlights of MailDaddy is its compliance with the Google and Yahoo June 2024 update. This update mandates specific authentication protocols and user-friendly practices to prevent email rejections and maintain your sender reputation. With MailDaddy, you can be confident that your emails will comply with these requirements, keeping you safe from being banned or blacklisted. Let's dive into some of the standout features and benefits of MailDaddy. 1. Send unlimited emails. Forget about monthly fees. With MailDaddy, you can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers without breaking the bank. 2. AI-powered defenses. MailDaddy leverages Gmail's defenses to stop over 99.9% of spam, phishing, and malware attacks, ensuring your emails are secure and delivered. 3. Compliance with SPF, DMARC, and DKIM. These protocols boost your sender reputation and prevent security risks, making sure your emails are trusted and delivered. 4. AI Email Writer. Effortlessly write and send thousands of profit-pulling emails without crafting each one yourself. Save time and resources while maximizing your marketing impact. 5. Professional templates. Choose from over 250 professionally designed email templates optimized for engagement and conversion. 6. Ultra-fast SMTP and dedicated IP. Enjoy fast and reliable email delivery with MailDaddy's inbuilt SMTP server and dedicated IP. 7. Generate unlimited leads. Easily generate unlimited red-hot leads for any offer in any niche, opening new growth opportunities for your business. 8. Drag and drop email builder. Create beautiful, inbox-friendly emails without any coding skills using the intuitive drag and drop builder. MailDaddy also offers smart import-export of contacts, effortless list cleaning, precise analytics, and a user-friendly cloud-based app. All of this comes with zero monthly fees, just a one-time payment. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your email marketing and save thousands of dollars. Get MailDaddy today and start sending unlimited, inbox-friendly emails to your subscribers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more updates and tips on effective email marketing. I've also listed the bonuses that you will receive if you pick this up through me, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Imagine getting your hands on the most advanced, Google-friendly email marketing technology that sends unlimited browser-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly or yearly fees. And with that, you can happily say goodbye to expensive email marketing platforms like Arbor, GetResponse, MailChimp, Constant Contact, etc. once and for all. Yes, you got that right. We're about to lift the curtains on a super fast and most reliable email marketing platform that sends tons of spam-free emails to your subscribers at the blink of an eye with zero IP blacklisting and accounts getting banned ever. So, if you too are willing to enter the profitable world of email marketing without failing to comply with the latest Google and Yahoo updates, spending even a single penny on inefficient and expensive autoresponders, paying huge monthly subscriptions to Arbor, GetResponse, MailChimp, etc., getting your IP blacklisted by sending spam emails, and without falling prey to self-proclaimed email marketing gurus, I've got some great news for you today. Welcome. MailDaddy first to market Arbor Killer Tech sends unlimited browser-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers, marks spam emails using secret naive-Bayes technology, and gets 99.96% inbox delivery with zero monthly fees ever. With MailDaddy, you pay only once and get on the fast track to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly cost. MailDaddy sends unlimited Google-friendly emails to unlimited subscribers in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Login. Step 2. Upload list. Step 3. Send and profit. It sounds amazing, right? Check out these amazing benefits inside MailDaddy. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for zero monthly cost. Use Gmail's AI-powered defenses to stop more than 99.9% of spam, phishing, and malware attacks inside inbox. Fully compliant with Google and Yahoo's 2024 update, so no risk of IP blacklisting and accounts getting banned. Get 100% SPF, Mark and DKIM compliance to boost your sender reputation. Write and send thousands of profit-pulling emails using AI Email Writer. Choose from 350 plus professionally designed templates to save time and maximize inbox delivery, and built ultra-fast SMTP and dedicated IP to send countless inbox-friendly emails. Generate unlimited red-hot leads for any offer in any niche. Use drag-and-drop email builder to create beautiful inbox-friendly emails with zero coding. Smartly import-export unlimited contacts with just one click. 99% uptime and 96% deliverability assurance to get more opens, clicks, and sales. Effortless list cleaning to move unwanted emails instantly. Precise analytics included to monitor your emails, opens, clicks, and subscribers' engagement. Easily manage your list and segment your audience for 10x engagement. Stop paying huge monthly to Uber. Get response, MailChimp, etc. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included. Now all you need to do is just plug and play this masterpiece into action, and relax while we take complete care of your email marketing business for days, weeks, months, and even years to come. Also, if you grab your copy during this special launch deal, you get premium bonuses that are worth $14,958 completely for free. This is your last chance to grab your access to the most amazing email marketing technology while you still can. Now I'm sure you're definitely thinking how much this is going to cost. It would be easy for us to charge $297 per month bare minimum, because there is a huge cost involved behind this masterpiece. But the good news is, you can get all this now for a low, one-time price that's never seen before. Yep, you read that correctly. We're offering this crazy email marketing technology for only pennies of the dollar, but only during the launch period. And yes, there is no recurring monthly fee or any hidden charges involved. So, you get everything for a low one-time payment. But please don't close this page and come back later, because the price is going up fast. You're also covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk involved. So, what are you waiting for? Join this new era of email marketing and click the button below now to grab MailDaddy at crazy low discounted price and claim your bonuses before the price goes up. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.